Ever since sliced bread came into existence, people have been searching for the next best thing. Well, I believe I've found it, and it's called the equity stop. Indeed, this remarkable invention is just as revolutionary as those pre-sliced loaves. Now, let me tell you why I think so, and in even greater detail. You see, position-based stop-loss solutions are quite popular among traders. These strategies, such as fixed percentage stop-loss, chart stop-loss, and volatility-based stop-loss, are widely used to protect investments and limit potential losses. But alas, they all come with a cost. Do you know your stop-loss cost? It might surprise you. Stop-loss costs can include slippage, the difference between the expected price of a position closing and the actual price at which the order is executed, as well as emotional costs that can affect your decision-making process. What's even more astonishing is that 80% of your losses are caused by your own stop-loss. Yes, you heard that right. Check your account and see if I'm right. I'm confident you'll find it's true. In today's fast-paced trading environment, it's essential to have a robust risk management strategy in place. Without one, traders may find themselves losing substantial amounts of money, and in some cases, their entire trading account. This is where the concept of the equity stop comes into play. So, what's a better solution, you ask? Well, let me introduce you to the equity stop. This strategy considers using a stop loss based on the account equity, and it's an excellent option for protecting your investments. What's even better, most people don't know it even exists. Can you believe that? The equity stop is different from traditional stop-loss strategies because it takes into account the overall health of your trading account, rather than just focusing on individual trades. By using a percentage of your account equity as a stop-loss level, you can effectively manage your risk across all trades, ensuring that your account remains in good shape even during periods of market chaos. Now, if you're eager to learn more about the benefits of the equity stop and how it works, there are plenty of examples available in our course that can help you dive into this fantastic solution so you can move forward with confidence in your trading decisions. These resources cover various aspects of the equity stop, such as its impact, development, implementation, and real-life applications. Moreover, you will find out more about the drawbacks of traditional stop-loss methods and how the equity stop strategy addresses those limitations. The equity stop offers improved risk management, greater flexibility, and reduced emotional stress, making it an attractive option for traders looking to optimize their trading strategies. In addition to learning about the equity stop, it's essential to understand the importance of fine-tuning your strategy. By optimizing your equity stop settings, you can maximize its effectiveness and profitability, ensuring that your trading account remains healthy and your investments are well protected. If you have any questions about the equity stop, just send an email to the contact address of our website.